Hello everyone, my name is Ariel Joe. I am a student at Go My Code. I'm studying software engineering. The reason I chose this field is because of curiosity and passion. I would say always wondered how the backstage of apps and sites worked. So at my fourth year in campus, I was looking for a bootcamp. Then when I went to Google, I searched bootcamps in Nairobi and I found Go My Code. I visited their Instagram and I fell in love with their hackspace. My experience when I was starting was smooth and at the same time challenging because of a lot of practical lessons. So far, my experience has been good and very enriching considering the amount of hands-on projects we have been doing. I love the quiet environment and the collaborative nature of the rooms. So in 2024, I have done 2 collaborative projects with my colleagues and I'm currently working on a note app which is almost finished. The one thing I wish someone told me before entering the field was how practice and consistency is key.